Today I'm driving with a DAF CF air freight truck and I'm stranded on the highway with engine troubles. So I was thinking, let's make a vlog. I'm now waiting for 40 minutes and the tick-tock is very annoying, and I'm trying to find if I can dim the sound, but it is impossible. When I had a Renault Premium, I could just turn off the sound of the alarm lights. Why can't I do that in this DAF? I'm not sure if they bring me to a local truck workshop or they will tow me to Schiphol airport. I hope the last option. So what happened, this orange light turned on today, and when I was accelerating it was like hopping. Then I called my company to discuss it, and sometime later the truck gave like an engine error, stop. It lost power. I moved it to the side of the road, even the engine failed and the gearbox gave errors and everything gave errors. And it started snowing again. And here's the DAF truck with a high volume trailer for air freight. The DAF was really doing it great in the snow. I had a lot of traction and no problems with driving in the bad weather. But if your engine fails, then yes, nothing works anymore of your DAF truck. 1 hour update, no wrecker yet. So yeah. Waiting. Tick tock. Update. There's a car with beacons on it behind me. That is from the road service. So let's see what they will do. This is quite funny. I'm standing here 1 hour and this spot is full of cameras. And the woman of the road service said, "Wait, you are here stuck for 1 hour. So they didn't notice me on the cameras. That is really strange. At least she's also calling a tow truck. So maybe we have 2 tow trucks soon. Okay, the second thing with beacons. The DAF service trucks here. The DAF mechanic arrived and is now discussing with the road service woman what they're gonna do. They have all kinds of rules, what kind of tow truck can tow on which spot and who is responsible for it. It's just tow me back to Schiphol and...
En die. In ieder geval een brandstofdrukprobleempje. Ik ga eens even alles wissen. Dan gaan we dan proberen te starten en dan kijken we hoe het blijft.
The mechanic found a problem. It's the fuel pump, and we even started it and it was running for 20 seconds and then it turned off, and now if we try to start it just don't start anymore. So I'm really stuck here with the broken truck. The tow truck is called and this is the first time in 15 years that I need a tow truck. But now my company needs to make the decision. Will they tow them to a local dealer here or to tow it to Schiphol? I hope the last option. And I think they will do that. Okay, vehicle 3 with beacons just arrived. Here it comes. Oh wait, it's not for me. I'm now here for 1 hour and 38 minutes. Tick tock. Oh, so annoying. Maybe I can borrow a cutter and cut off the tick-tocker. It's a little bit hard to see, but they blocked off one of the 2 lanes. So I think the tow truck is almost here. I think also the truck diesel heater broke down or it doesn't get any diesel because I have really cold feet and I tried to turn it on, but I think it's not working. I see car 3 with beacons and something bigger with beacons behind it. I think they arrived. Okay, a small car with beacons arrived to put the pylons here. And the bigger one with beacons is here. So that's probably the tow truck waiting for the DAF service truck to leave so he can go in front of me. So that is getting really serious. The DAF service car is moving away. There's even a truck behind him to prevent that people drive over us. And the road service car is behind there. So to make the circus complete, we only need to have the big wrecker here. The circus is complete. The big elephant, the wrecker, is here. So let's hope they tow me to Schiphol. So the tow truck is before the DAF truck, but I'm still not sure what they're gonna do if they bring me to Schiphol or not. I don't think so. So this is not Schiphol, but it's even further from home. But the truck is off the highway and a colleague is coming to pick me up and the trailer. And the truck will stay here. Here's the prop shaft and it needs to stay with the truck. Who made the prop shaft like 50 or 60, 70 kilograms? That wasn't heavy ever. So I'm now 200 kilometers from home. So my journey is still not over. And I think it will be like 2 hours before my colleague is here. Then 2.5 hours or more to drive home. This is going to be such a long night. Finally, after 3 hours waiting, my truck to go home is here and we're gonna take the trailer with the freight to Schiphol. Doorzwengelen jij!
Hoe is het, jongen? Met de
Goed, met jou?
foto's maken of zo?
Ja. We are now 1 hour from Schiphol and this is my saver, Yusuf.
Yes.
So he has now the trailer with freight and almost home, and it's now 1 o'clock in the night. We have other company here, so we are chatting and let's go home. The snow cleaning teams are still busy. Yes, almost home. This is the access of Schiphol. And what time is it? 2 o'clock in the morning. And I started at 6:30. So I'm finally back at the company. This was a really long day, but they gave me the day off tomorrow. So I want to thank the crew of the tow truck company for the very nice Limburgse fly. So I had something to eat. Oh no. My car battery don't like the cold. How do I get home now? Now, thanks for watching. Yes, I'm finally going home. My colleague helped me to jumpstart my car.